To manage your customer data, start by clicking the Contacts tab in the DCDial extension. You'll see 3 views to choose from. Company Contacts shows all saved contacts. Team Contacts includes contacts managed by your team. My Contacts displays those assigned to you. To quickly find someone, use the search bar to look up a contact by name, account ID, phone number, or email. Use the status filter to view contacts based on their current status. The last contact date filter helps you find contacts based on the most recent interaction, whether it was a call, text, or email. And the payment activity filter lets you sort contacts by when they last made a payment. Click Add Contact to create a new record manually. And use the star icon to mark important contacts as favorites. Click on a contact's name to open their full profile. The Info tab gives you a quick snapshot of the contact's basic details, like their name, contact info, company, address, social links, and any files or lists they're associated with. The Activity tab keeps a full log of communication history, payment activity, and any changes made to the record. Use the Notes tab to leave internal comments. Or click Actions to edit, pin, or delete a note. The Tasks tab displays all tasks linked to this contact, including open and completed items. You can filter tasks by type, priority level, or source, such as whether it was created manually, by the system, or through a mention. In the Finance tab, you'll find everything related to payments: total spend, recent transactions, subscriptions, invoices, and saved payment methods. The Actions menu lets you do more: send SMS, email, call, process payments, or create new tasks, all in one place. And if needed, you can take additional actions like uploading a profile picture, updating the contact's status, blocking the contact, adding them to your Do Not Contact list, or deleting the record. That's it for this demo. See you in the next video.